Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you tired of bulky fitness trackers that make you feel like you're wearing a weightlifting equipment on your wrist? Well, fear not, because I've got the ultimate solution for you. Welcome to my Amazfit Band 5 review, the fitness tracker that's about to blow your mind in a good way. Alright, now let's move on to the juicy stuff, the features. Material: rubber, dial shape, rectangle, battery life, 15 days, weight, 12 grams, display type, AMOLED, width, 76 millimeters, height, 191 millimeters, features, water resistant, Bluetooth, touch, alarms, calories burned, distance covered, do not disturb mode, heart rate monitor, phone notifications, reminders, sleep tracking, SpO2 monitor, step counter, workout modes. It's been using it, and I'm honestly shocked with the level of accuracy of this band. I'm a fitness professional and nutritionist. For that reason, accurate data is a key component on my days. The accuracy reading steps, calories, and sleep is simply outstanding. But not only that, the application is developed on a way that you can get your daily, weekly, and monthly metrics on a very friendly way. I'm currently on a preparation that demands me to drink a little more than 2 gallons water a day. Unfortunately, it makes me visit the bathroom several times at night. 7 times. This band never failed reading every time I woke up. In terms of calories and steps, I would give it a 99% accuracy, which is amazing. I also compared the oxygen in blood feature with a real medical device. Accuracy is also impressive. It does what I need. We'll keep an eye on the battery utilization and update this review in some weeks. It's an expensive little activity tracker, plus heart rate, plus SpO2 monitor. Year after year, they add few percent larger screen, couple percent better brightness and contrast. Everything else stays the same. It's nice to see new features being added to the app though. I bought this one to replace my Band 8 because the app from Xiaomi sucks and their wristband doesn't support Zepp Life anymore. Their default wrist strap is garbage. It doesn't allow a reliable tightness when exercising, so heart rate is all over the place. And on my experience will only last about 6 months. I'm looking forward to elastic nylon wrist straps to appear for this model, since these are actually really good. In overall, I'm really happy with the product. Let's watch. I had an iWatch previously, and it fell off and went down the toilet in one swift movement. $600 plus down the drain, literally. My son turned me onto this, and I thought, what the heck? $40. Well, I tell people about it all of the time. I love that it is comfortable and has a better band so that it catches if it comes loose. What I love the most is the sleep tracking feature. I knew I didn't sleep well, but it helped me see how bad I was sleeping and suggested changes I could make, and now sleeping much better. It also allows me to put my phone down because it counts my steps for me. It's very accurate and I love it. A friend gave me her Amazfit Band 5. I liked the sleep tracking and the general use, however. I didn't like the mini watch face. I use it mostly for text, email, and sleep, not so much for the workout value. The screen size on the 7 is so much nicer, and yet not so large that I feel like I have a man's watch on. It's discreet, and I like that I can change the face and band of it to match what I'm wearing. I wish it had a more secure band, as sometimes it pops off. I get a lot of compliments on it, and I like the features. The Zepp app is a little more tricky to remember where everything is located, but I can usually find what I need fairly quickly. I am a user, so I was a little unsure about this item, but I'm glad I bought it. The two main functions I wanted were step tracking and health monitoring features, heart rate and blood pressure. These two functions have been great. The watch itself looks nice too. I do like the many activity tracking options too. I like that I can see a text and sync with my phone in Korean too. Was surprised by the BP option, and it seems accurate. For the price, I am very happy. Don't forget that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell because we've got more tech-tastic adventures coming your way. Until then, stay fabulous and keep exploring.